Hi everyone, for this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to take a typical page in a Word document and change it from portrait to landscape in a paper while the other pages are in portrait landscape, are in portrait orientation. So the first thing that we're going to do is we need to have some words on the page, so we'll say pretend this is a paper, and then we'll do Control Enter, type on the second page, pretend this is the second page. Then we'll just Control A. I prefer things to be centered here, that way it's a little bit nicer to look at, nicer to see. So now what we're going to do is this first page here we're going to keep in portrait. The second page we will put into landscape. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to go over, first things first, we need to highlight the text that's on the second page. Very, very important that when you are trying to change one page from portrait to landscape is that you need to have text on that page that you can highlight so that you can do this next bit. So come up here to layout, and instead of going here to orientation and having that pull down and change it there, we're going to go to page setup. A quick note to be mindful of is that from what I know, this only works for PCs. It doesn't really work for Apple computers. I've tried it on other people's computers. It doesn't really work. It mostly just works for this type of Word programming where it has this specific layout. So you come down here to page setup, and then here in margins we're going to click landscape. But instead of coming down here and hitting OK right away, we're going to come here and we're going to go to selected text. Usually this part would say apply to whole document in this menu here, in this selected section, but we're going to hit selected text. Then we're going to hit OK, and that changes just this second page to landscape.